Welcome back, fellow creatives, as we dive into an awe-inspiring church stage transformation. Dave from Bluff Church in Poplar Bluff, Missouri has essentially flipped the scene with his incredible design. This sweeping change actually began when they moved piles after over a decade of ferrying their gear around. As we explore this fantastic new look, note it took just 2 years for them to create possibilities like never before inside that edifice in which they've founded themselves. Pivotal is moving away simply deploying arrangements at various locations and instead having what can only be described as a permanent home where creativity knows no bounds. Let's take a peek behind the scenes, literally, by examining how these 5 distinct panels were constructed using 2x4 heavy-duty lumber pieces along with sheet metal sheets. The far panel stands tall at 10 feet high while all others are 23 feet wide, making up an impressive backdrop that sets the tone perfectly every Sunday morning. Now let's talk about materials used here. Repurposed pallet wood adds warmth without breaking bank, costing approximately $100 for 12 boards, which isn't bad considering its eco-friendly aspect too. And then there are Edison bulbs sourced from Amazon, adding vintage charm to this modern setup. Each bulb costs around $7, so you do the math. One thing catches our eye: a round sign created by none other than their very own church volunteer member proudly displays 90 Days with Jesus as part of their fall series. This personal touch truly makes it special and shows how community involvement can elevate any project beyond expectations. If you want more details on this fantastic stage design, or perhaps even replicate some elements in your own space, don't forget to check out the description below where we've compiled all relevant information for easy reference. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what matters most: sharing these incredible designs with fellow creatives like yourself. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new post. Also take a moment to give us a thumbs up by liking our content. Every single one counts towards spreading inspiration across. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.